One fine spring day, the Port of Oakland brought first and second grade students from Madison Park Elementary to Middle Harbor Shoreline Park for a day of environmental exploration.
We build sand castles. We look for rocks, feathers, and snakes.
The port provided transportation from the children's East Oakland School to this West Oakland Park and Wildlife Sanctuary, located inside the Port of Oakland Seaport.
Oh my goodness, look at the ocean!
Stepping Out, Stepping In provided the educational programming. The day began with an orientation to the park and the day's theme, We All Need a Habitat. Just a week before, the kids prepared for the trip with a presentation at their school. They learned that a habitat is a home and all about the animals and plants that make their homes in the San Francisco Bay and Oakland shoreline. Once at the park, the message was reinforced and kids met a crab in puppet form and learned some crab facts. Then they got a chance to gently hold a real live baby crab collected by the Naturalists. Next, along with their teachers and parent volunteers, students broke into groups and began to explore the park. Students touched and felt the sand at low tide, looking at shells and the barnacles that live on the rocks. They hiked through the sand dunes and along the beach, searching for habitats and their inhabitants along the way.
My favorite part was looking for crabs. I never saw crabs in my life. That was really fun.
They discovered insects like black stink bugs and local bumblebees feeding on low-growing ceanothus and other native plants including beach burr and buckwheat. They also discovered evidence of animals like this student who was so excited to find a piece of exoskeleton from a ghost shrimp. Students learned that a lot of plastic from local streets actually winds up in the bay and that we can all do our part to help keep the bay clean.
I learned that we need to pick up trash and not litter.
In this way, students learn to become stewards of the shoreline.